got back from shopping. Took us 3 days. Well, it took an hour.
2.
And then 2 hours 23 minutes for her to pick 2 t-shirts out. Right. You saw them, eh?
Took you longer than me. What do you like?
So we thought we'll get back and we'll do them. Because the mini cheddars, new. That flavour. Chipotle chicken wings flavour. Hot.
I was just looking on the back. They do other spices as well. Picanto. But I can't read that one. I see 1, 2 and 3.
Mild, medium, hot.
Yeah.
So these are the hot ones.
These are the hot ones. I can't read the mild is lime and chilli. Medium, nacho, cheese and jalapeno. Oh, I didn't see them ones.
We got hot.
As you would.
Are they going to go out then? Yeah, we're doing crisps, but it's something new and it's spicy, so we thought we'd do them. Just to see what they're like.
All that struggling to read that is here. In big writing.
Oh, that smells smoky, real smoky.
Oh, Chipotle are though, aren't they?
But they're not hot, that's why I don't know why they're calling them hot. Chicken, cheese,
Very strange.
smoky flavour all at once.
So far they're not hot.
They're nice, they're a bit like the smoke, they brought a smoked cheese one out as well, didn't they? Right. They taste nice.
Unusual.
Nice smoky cheese flavour. It is smoky, so if you don't like smoked stuff, you won't like them. There is a bit of chicken flavour there.
It's not hot.
What chilli?
Yeah, it's not. You can taste chilli. It is there, right at the end. But it's not hot by any means. Even kids could eat these.
Very slight flavour of chilli. Very slight. So, what gives me ratings? You know what I'm going to say. Jacobs. Why? You put hot on there and it's not. You companies just love ripping people off and saying this is hot. That's not even going to be hot to a 5-year-old.
No.
Let alone an adult. So, sort your marketing out.
But the hot comes from cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper's not very hot anyway.
No, but it's 3 chilies, it says hot. Right, they taste really nice. But you're getting a thumbs down. And that's it. Because you're saying hot and there's... no.
No, they're not even mild.
So, you get... Right, I'll do that different. Taste-wise, they're nice. If you like mini cheddars and you want something different, smoky flavour, yeah. So for a taste, yeah, for what they're actually advertised as, you're getting 2 because there's no way on earth that is hot.
No.
It's not. You could eat these if you eat korma.
Yeah.
Quite easily.
Description aside, okay, you're not impressed because they've called them hot wings. But taste-wise, they are nice. And I think most people would like them. They're a smoky cheese with a little bit of chilli. Yeah, but that's because they've called it hot.
They shouldn't do it then.
Fair enough. But they do taste nice.
They don't call this a blue t-shirt when you get home it's green, do they?
No, no. After it up. I think they're alright.
They don't label the pump as diesel and when I go and fill up the car breaks down after 200 yards because it's petrol.
No. And this is the worst one yet because this is just smoky cheese really.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
A very, and I mean very, very, very slight hint of chilli. But you could eat them if you were coma. No heat, nothing. Taste-wise, they're really nice. If they'd just put Chipotle chicken wings, thumbs up. But 3 chilies on it saying hot. Jesus, if the bloke who rated them thinks that is hot, if he come round our house, he'd be 6 feet under.
Yeah.
I'll tell you now, if I gave him something I classed as hot, you won't see him again. Who did the rating? 97-year-old grandma.
Don't say that because your mum eats hotter than these.
Well, yeah. No. But they're nice. So, if you want something different, they are smoky, they have got a slight chicken taste, and you can taste the cheddars, cheese. So try them. But don't look for the different ratings, because if that's hot, I'm assuming the mild ones is a bag of water.
Yeah.
That you get them. I don't know. But, yeah.
Nice taste, not hot. Thumbs up for me.
Would you buy them again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just for the taste. And then sprinkle some Reaper sauce, Reaper powder on them.
Yeah.
Then you've got hot. That's hot. Carolina Reaper. Well, that's evil. Extra hot chili powder. Hot.
No, it's hot.
My spice packs, Madras, all the Madras strength are classes hot. To the standard, a normal person, it's hot. A Madras.
Yeah, this isn't a Madras.
No. My korma's hotter and that ain't got chili in.
Grumbling aside, they taste nice.
JD.
Thanks for watching.
Well, JD. that and that.
Cool.
Right.
Done.
But try them anyway, it's something different. They taste nice, they're just not hot. And it bugs me when they say they are. Right. Catch you later.
See you later.